3E and a 4N. Okay?
The ride is gonna go to space.
The ride is gonna go to space?
Put a line there so it'll not go to space.
What? So that we can cover the space. We can cover the sky so that the ride won't fly away. Okay? So here it's 3E and a 4N. So it's on the thumb, brought up. 3E and a 4. It's 3E and a 4 snare. Okay?
But what about this one?
Yeah, that's the snare.
And the upper one?
Yeah, it's the snare. It's like this, 3E and a 4 snare. Okay? 3E and a 4N. 3E and a 4.
So there's more than one now.
Yes, there's more. So now, let's try to practice the fill part first. 3E and a 4 and up. It says left hand on the snare. 3E and a 4 up, not yet. 3E and a 4 and what? To the left hand. And get up. 3E and a 4 left. Okay? So now one more time. 3E and a 4 left. And one more time. 3E and a 4 up, left hand. 3E and a 4 left. And 3E and a 4. Again, one more time. 3E and a 4 and your turn. Your turn, your turn. Why suddenly you like that? Shaking.
I was
spaced
thinking
out?
Of my,
You spaced out?
yeah, I was thinking of my last kiss